What's going on, everyone? My name is Chase Reiner, and today we're going to be talking about how to make over $1,000 daily with AI generated videos that you can create with just one click. And what's even cooler about this is you can now even use your own AI cloned voice in these videos. Let me press play on this so you can hear what this sounds like. And then I'm going to show you how to make these videos with just one click, and I'm going to show you how to profit with them.
Welcome to the revolutionary method of earning $1,000 daily with AI. Discover the power and potential of artificial intelligence in maximizing your income. Tap into the vast digital space where AI can turn your time into lucrative profits. Experience unprecedented financial growth with smart and efficient AI technologies. No more traditional hustles. The future is AI, and it's profitable. Join the elite league of individuals who are making a fortune with AI. See your financial future change dramatically with AI. Earning $1,000 has never been easier. Thank you for joining us. Start your journey to earning $1,000 daily with AI today.
So I can download this video and I can even edit it if I want to make it seem a little bit more interactive, add music. We are going to be able to actually do those things within this app pretty soon as well. But I'll show you how to customize this a little bit more if you don't want to just have the AI generated images with just your voice. You can do a lot more to this, obviously. But even just being able to post videos like this actually get thousands and thousands of views. I could go upload this directly to Instagram. I could upload it to TikTok, Facebook, wherever I want. And I can actually get thousands and thousands of views with just these videos alone. And then I can actually go and promote tools that I get paid to promote. And I can earn thousands and thousands of dollars doing this. Now, am I going to earn $1,000 overnight as a beginner? Probably not. It might take a little bit of time to start building up some traffic, start building up some sales, start building up some reoccurring revenue. But I'm going to show you how you can stack this reoccurring revenue every single month and earn more and more. Okay. So let's talk about the first thing you need to do, which is just get into the tool and start generating a few of your own videos. And then I'm going to show you how to clone your voice. And then I'm going to show you everything else you have to do. Okay. So step number one, head over to ShineRanker.com. If you don't have the tool yet, all you have to do is click on the $1 trial. You can get started right now for just $1, and you can start using the tool. So you click on the $1 trial. If you're already on the landing page, just click on the button, scroll down, grab the $1 trial. Now, while you're on this page, you can also type /partner at the end of this link, and you can actually go and grab a partner URL while you're there. So what this partner URL does is it allows you to go and promote ShineRanker if you want to make a 40% reoccurring commission on anybody who signs up to generate their own AI generated videos, okay? Because this is going to work for anything, whether you're selling a local service, whether you're selling an e-commerce product, whether you're selling affiliates, doesn't matter. So you just click on create and you grab your link just by going through the process of setting up your account. It takes 2 seconds and it's completely free to do. So grab your link if you want. You don't have to. I'm going to show you some tools. I'm going to give you a free checklist of tools that you can use as well with tons of different affiliate programs that you can actually use and get paid to promote any of these tools. So it doesn't have to necessarily be ShineRanker, okay? Either way, grab the link if you'd like and grab the $1 trial to ShineRanker. Once you grab that, you're going to get an email and they're just going to tell you to sign in. The automated system is going to tell you to sign in. You're going to go into the app and then you're going to click on AI video tools. Right now it's under maintenance because we are adding an update, but once you're in there, it's going to just say AI video generator or AI text to image under the AI video generator. And we're going to click on use and then we're going to be able to type in whatever we want. Okay. So I'm going to type in, let's say I want to promote ShineRanker. I'm going to type in, talk about a AI tool that generates videos for you automatically. Now you will see a pop-up here. It says, hey there, we noticed you exceeded the recommended character limit. This is just our recommendation to not go over the 30 characters. You can go over the 30 characters. People do like hundreds of characters. It just sometimes the outputs will start to vary. Just test whatever you want. I mean, there's plenty of ways to run this tool. It doesn't have to necessarily be that you only put in 30 characters, but we found the best outputs usually around that range, okay? So we could say, talk about an AI tool that generates videos for you automatically. So I could go and click on generate. And if I just generate this normally, the default right now is actually to use my voice if you just want to use mine. If you click on advanced options, you can go use a pre-made voice as well. These are a bunch of different voices. You can use a girl's voice, a guy's voice, whatever you want. Let's just use Josh's voice here, and I'll click on generate. And I'll show you how to clone your own voice in a second, or your client's voice if you're going to be doing this for them. And then this will go and start building us a video here. You can see it says generating script, and then it'll generate the images and everything else, okay? So while that's loading, what I can start doing is I can start getting the different links that I want to promote, okay? So for example, if I wanted to, instead of talking about ShineRanker that generates videos, I could talk about any of these tools, right? And by the way, if you want to grab these tools, you can go grab this free checklist. We also have it inside of the ShineRanker tool as well, inside of the VIP section here. This is a full course of everything you'll want to do to start earning money with AI and with ShineRanker. But also we have this 400 plus AI tools list inside of ShineRanker as well. But what you can do is you can grab an affiliate link to any one of these tools. So let's say you wanted to promote this tool, Jasper, which is a tool that helps you in AI writing content, okay? If I scroll to the bottom, click on affiliate program here, and then I click on apply, I can apply. And then once I get my affiliate link, it's gonna look like this. And then I can just add that to the videos that I'm going to be promoting, okay? So right here it says I get $2,500 next time I get paid out. And if I look at all my payouts here, look at this, 1,000, 1,400, 1,900, 2,000, 2,000. And this is for almost 2 years now, or yeah, over 2 years. And so literally all you have to do is create some videos and start stacking these affiliates, start sending people to sign up for these different tools with your AI generated content, okay? And that's why I was saying earlier, it doesn't matter if you promote ShineRanker or Jasper or anything, you can promote whatever you want as long as you can send traffic to it, okay? So let's say you get a link like this one, okay? You're just gonna save that in a notepad here. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna start adding this to the videos you generate, okay? So instead of me saying, you know, talk about an AI tool that generates videos like ShineRanker, talk about an AI tool that generates content for you for your blogs. And then we can talk about Jasper. Then when we get a video, we can start adding that either in the comments, or we can add it in our link in our bio, or we could even add it as a redirect link if we wanted to buy a custom domain. I'm not going to go too far into that. That's actually in the course. If you go watch the full checklist here, it shows you how to do all of that. It's a little bit more advanced, but if you go through here, you'll learn it in probably a day. Anyways, if I go to this tool here, let me show you. This is the video that just got generated about an AI tool that generates videos for us automatically.
Unveiling a revolutionary AI tool that simplifies your video creation process. Watch as it intuitively generates content, transforming your ideas into reality. It harnesses the power of advanced algorithms to curate stunning visuals. The tool is designed to adapt, learning from your preferences for personalized results. No more hassle of...
Okay, so I like that video. I can download it. And then what I can start doing is I can start posting this either just directly like this on, let's say like Instagram or Facebook Reels or wherever I want. Let me just post this here, drag it in, boom.
Unveiling a revolutionary AI tool that simplifies your video creation process.
And then I can even have ChatGPT that we have integrated inside of ShineRanker write out a viral description with hashtags as well for this. So if I go into ShineRanker here, click on AI chat, I can say, please write me out 3 paragraph description with hashtags for, you know, whatever the thing is that we got here. There it is, AI tool, boom. And that'll go and generate me a viral description. Then I can post it, right? Now, again, if I wanted to go and edit this video a little bit more, I could always use a free editing tool like CapCut. If I head over to CapCut, here's the description, just copy it and paste it in. If I head over to CapCut.com, after I paste this in here, there it is, I can download this for free. And then all I have to do is drag my video into CapCut. So let's say I create a new video here, upload the video we just got. We're going to choose a TikTok video or a short video. And then I believe I can just click to upload. There we go. And then I could just start going through here and editing the video, right? If I wanted to add my own call to action at the end, like link in, I could say link in bio. Drag this in, Boom. Okay, link in bio, right? Or link in comments. So you can see this is pretty simple, right? Then I just click on export and I'm good to go. I can also obviously add music if I wanted to go add music. Okay, I want, I don't know, scary music on top of this. So you can really customize these videos. Drag that on. Okay, now this sounds a little bit scary. Let me press play here.
Revolutionary
Oh, it's a little loud. But look, it's up to you on how you want to customize these. I'm going to leave that part to you. All I know is that we are seeing our users get thousands and thousands of views with these types of videos. They're getting sales as well. We have a lot of people actually promoting the tool. If you check out the sales page, you'll see like all the different people that are posting in our Facebook group, in our Discord server. 1 follower, 700 plus views with an AI video. First sale just popped in. I got my first sale. These are all different people, right? Created 2 videos using ShineRanker video tool, and a few hours later on a brand new channel, over 1,000 views. And that's the best part about this is these are brand new channels. You don't have to have a huge following. You don't have to have a bunch of time to do this. Literally just go in there and start experimenting with building different videos like this, and type in whatever you want, right? Like type in, Panda talks about a new AI tool, and you'll literally get a panda talking about an AI tool. Okay. Now, if you want to clone your own voice, what we're using is a tool called 11 Labs for this. And again, this is optional. You don't have to clone your own voice, but it's pretty simple if you want to. You just go to 11labs.io, click on add voice, add generative or voice clone, instant voice cloning. And then all I have to do is just take a clip of my voice. Okay, I can shoot this with my camera on my phone, or I can download a tool on my desktop. There's actually also like voice recording apps on Windows. Just click on voice recorder. But I can just drag a clip in, say Chase's voice clone, and this will work with anybody as long as I have permission, right? You can't just go clone anybody's voice because you can get in trouble if you don't have permission to do that. But if you have permission, you just click on that, add voice. It's going to add the voice. And then all you need to do is go to your profile, grab your API key. You got to uncover it here. I'm not going to leak my API key, but I would click on this little I, copy it. And then when you go into the video generator tool inside of ShineRanker here, you just click on advanced options. You put the API key in here, click on get your voice models, and then it'll pull all of your voice models into here, whatever clone voices you have. Okay. And then you can select whatever you want. You could select your mom's voice. I don't know, whatever you want. Okay. So yeah, pretty cool. We have tons and tons of people using this tool just because I think people are really blown away by what you can do. Again, you can generate videos of literally pretty much anything you could imagine. And it's really cool that you can go out and start making video now. A lot of people don't want to make video because they don't want to have to talk. They don't want to have to, go and edit the video. They don't want to have to go and do a bunch of stuff that's required to do video. And now you can have your AI clone go and do all of this for you, right? All you have to do is type in some ideas and click on generate. And again, if you don't want to use your own voice clone, use a pre-made voice. A lot of these pre-made voices sound great. Inside of 11 Labs, actually, you can test a lot of these voice clones, I believe, for free, or pre-made voices. If you just go through here, these are all different voices you can just test out. Let's say we click on this one, and then we say, hi, my name is Charlie. It'll show you what this sounds like if I click on generate.
Hi, my name is Charlie.
There you go. And okay, I don't like that one. Let me do this one, right? And you can kind of, again, customize, choose what you want.
Hi, my name is Charlie.
Okay, so there you go. But yeah, I'm really interested to see what you think. Okay, we just got this one back. Panda talks about new AI tool. Let's see.
Join our friendly Panda as he unveils a game-changing AI tool. Watch as he navigates through the sleek interface with ease. Discover the impressive features that makes this AI tool stand out. See how it simplifies complex workflows and boosts productivity. Marvel at the AI's ability to learn and adapt over time. Hear the Panda explain how this tool can revolutionize your daily tasks. Witness the potential of AI through the eyes of our tech-savvy Panda. Thank you for joining us. Stay tuned for more exciting updates from our Panda Tech Guru.
So there you go. yeah, again, try it out. Let me know what you think. And we'll see you very soon. Till we do, happy money making. See you next time. Bye.